Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists! Are you ready for a fun drawing adventure today? I have something in mind, and I want you to guess what it is. Here are a few hints. It is a fruit. It wears a spiky crown like a tiny king or queen. It can be sweet, juicy, and a little bit tangy. Some people love it on pizza, and others love it in juice or smoothies. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a pineapple. Today, we are going to draw and color a pineapple together. When you start drawing, think about its tall and bumpy body, almost like it is wearing a coat made of tiny diamonds. On the top, it has big pointy leaves that spread out like fireworks in the sky. You can make your pineapple tall, short, skinny, or round. Maybe it is smiling, maybe it looks surprised, or maybe it has cool sunglasses. Your drawing can be simple or full of details. It is your artwork, and that makes it special. When it is time to color, remember that pineapples are usually yellow and brown with green leaves, but artists do not have to follow the rules all the time.
Red, green.
You can use your imagination and choose any colors you want. A blue pineapple, a rainbow pineapple, or even a purple pineapple with red spots would look amazing. Art is all about having fun and showing your ideas. Here are some fun facts while you draw. A pineapple is not just one fruit. It is made from many little berries that grow together into one big fruit. Pineapples do not grow on trees. They grow close to the ground on a plant. They can take more than a year to grow before they are ready to eat. And did you know that pineapples were once so rare that only kings and queens could afford them? That makes your drawing extra royal.
Yellow,
Let your hand move slowly, add shapes, lines, and patterns, and enjoy watching your pineapple come to life on the page. And remember, there is no right or wrong way to draw. Every pineapple is perfect because it is made by you. If you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share and subscribe. Now, let's keep coloring and adding details. Should your pineapple have tiny dots or big squares? Should the leaves be long and curly or short and spiky? You decide. If you feel happy with your drawing, hold it up and imagine showing it to your friends or family. You can even tell them your favorite fun fact about pineapples. We are almost at the end of our fruity adventure, but the fun does not have to stop here. If you like drawing with me today, come back again for more colors, more animals, more fruits, and more creative surprises. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss our next videos, and tell me in your mind what you would like to draw next time. Was it fun? Did your pineapple turn out silly, cool, or super fancy? Great job, little artist, and I hope to see you again very soon.